Student, today is Wednesday. Now you will join your SST class, and in SST class today I will teach you something to do. In something to do, I will give you some questions and answers. You will read the questions and answers and write it in your CW and learn it. Dear student, as you know that your exams is coming, and I hope that you are preparing for your exam. From next classes, I will take mock test and I will give you the tips how you will give your online examination. So please don't miss the class and be regular and punctual in the class and revise the whole syllabus, half yearly whole syllabus according to your given syllabus. And whatever I have taught you in the class, you will revise all the things. At first, I will tell you that you will see all the objective questions and answers. Means fill in the blanks, match the following, true and false, and one word answer. So you have to learn your each and every exercise. Then you can solve the question and answer and all the given questions in the exam. So please come to the next topic. The next topic is something to do. In something to do, I will give you the question answer. Why do you help your parents? Give two reasons. I help my parent because I love him. I help my parents because I respect him. Do you help children who are poor? If yes, how? If no, why? Answer. I help poor children because they are needy. I help them by giving money to buy clothes, food, and books. Come to the next question. Question number 3. There are many people who are working hard to educate and train the poor children. With the help of your parents, find out about the schemes started by the following. A. Your school. Answer is in school taking admission of BPL students. What government is doing? The question is our government. Free education in government education. Scholarship for girls child to promote them. Now NGO. NGO means non-government organization. What they are doing? Answer is providing food, books, clothes to attend school. Neighborhood organization. In neighborhood organization, providing evening classes for the slum area student. Why are some children awarded by the President of Republic on Republic Day? Question number 4. Answer is some children are rewarded by the President of Republic on Republic Day for their bravery work. Now see question number 5. List 3 ways in which you can show respect to people who make your life comfortable at home, in the school, or in the neighborhood. Answer is we should obey them, we should regard them, we should always be ready to help them. Like this, your something to do is over. In something to do is there are not very long questions. All the questions are very short questions, and you have to do these questions by yourself, but I have given you the answer. So student, please, again and again I am telling that be serious and revise your work and do your classwork and revise the whole portion for coming exams. Now, what is your homework? Your homework is same. Learn and write question and answer. Read the chapter. From next class, I will give you some question and answer, and I will take your test also and mock test also, but I will not provide you the chapter for your exam. From any chapter, from anywhere of the syllabus, I will take the short exams. So students, be ready for that, and bye. Again we will meet on Saturday. Thanking you.